Welcome back to this video. Today's video I will show you on how to install and log in into your paper apps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply make use of Chrome browser, then make use of the address bar, type in paper.com, click on search. Just like so, it's open up this page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on open right here. To take you to official paper app from Play Store right here. If you are using iPhone, it will take you to official paper app on your app store. So as at the time of making this video, over 100 million people have successfully downloaded this app. So what you need to do is to simply click on install. So after successful install the app, next thing we want to do is to simply click on open. So it takes you right here. If you don't have an account with PayPal before, what you need to do is to simply click on sign up. But if you have an account with PayPal already, what you need to do is to simply click on login. So in my own case, I will simply click on login right here. Just like so. And you will be asked to enter your email address. Then click on next. I'm going to enter my login password. Then click on login. Then I'm going to simply click on I'm not a robot. So I'm going to match the security question. Then click on next. Then traffic light. So I'm going to check on it. And then click on verify. So here we go. I have successfully logged in to my paper app. It's as simple as that. So you can begin to use the app to send money or receive money. You can explore and check on your wallet and check on your payments right here and check onto the home page. You can swipe and see more information right here. You can also come to the top right here, this icon right here, click on that and see your account detail. So these are all your account profile. You can check on your personal info, login and security, data and privacy, notification preferences, etc. You can also scroll down and see more stuff right here. If you want to log out from the app, simply click on here to log out from the app. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install and log in into your PayPal apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.